have you ever wondered, after putting in all that hard work, completing tasks, and seeing your jobber balance grow, how exactly do you get that money into your bank account? It's a question many of you have asked, and for good reason. You've dedicated your time, skills, and effort to your clients through Jobber, and now it's time to reap the rewards. But navigating the withdrawal process can sometimes feel a bit like cracking a secret code. Is it instant? Are there fees? What about direct deposit versus other options? And what if something goes wrong? Well, you're in the right place, because today we're pulling back the curtain and demystifying the entire process of withdrawing money from Jobber. We're going to walk through it step by step, making it as clear and straightforward as possible, so you can confidently access your hard-earned funds. No more guessing, no more confusion, just clear, actionable information. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Jobber is designed to streamline your service business, from scheduling and quoting to invoicing and, yes, getting paid. The money you receive through Jobber primarily comes from your clients paying invoices directly through the platform. This often happens via Jobber payments, which accepts various payment methods like credit cards and bank transfers. Once a client pays an invoice through Jobber payments, that money is then processed and held within your Jobber account. It's not instantly in your bank account. There's a crucial step in between, the payout. Think of your Jobber account as a holding area for your funds. When a payment comes in, it lands there first. Then, at regular intervals or when you initiate it, that money is transferred from your Jobber account to your linked bank account. Understanding this distinction is key to understanding the withdrawal process. It's not so much a withdrawal in the traditional ATM sense, but rather a payout from your Jobber balance to your designated bank account. Now, let's talk about the two primary ways money moves from Jobber to your bank: automatic payouts and manual payouts. Most Jobber users are set up for automatic payouts. This is the default and generally the most convenient option. With automatic payouts, Jobber will automatically transfer your available balance to your linked bank account on a predetermined schedule. For many, this is daily or weekly. This means you don't have to think about it. The money just shows up. The exact timing of these automatic payouts depends on a few factors, including your region and the specific settings of your Jobber payments account. Typically, once a payment is processed and clears, it will be included in the next scheduled automatic payout. For example, if you have daily payouts and a client pays an invoice on Monday, that money will usually be batched with other Monday payments and initiated for transfer to your bank on Monday evening or Tuesday morning. The second method is manual payouts. While less common for everyday operations, this option gives you more control. Manual payouts allow you to initiate a transfer of your available balance to your bank account whenever you choose, as long as you meet any minimum withdrawal thresholds. This can be useful if you need to access funds outside of your regular automatic payout schedule, or if you prefer to have more direct control over when your money is transferred. To initiate a manual payout, you'd typically navigate to your Jobber payments section or the financial reporting area within your Jobber account and look for an option to pay out or transfer funds. You'll then confirm the amount and initiate the transfer. Keep in mind that even with manual payouts, there's still a processing time before the funds appear in your bank account. Speaking of processing time, this is where many questions arise. How long does it actually take for the money to hit your bank account after a payout is initiated? Generally, once a payout is initiated by Jobber, it can take 2 to 5 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. This timeframe accounts for banking holidays, weekend processing, and the internal systems of both Jobber's payment processor and your bank. It's important to remember that business days exclude Saturdays, Sundays, and public holidays. So, if a payout is initiated on a Friday, it might not land in your account until the following Tuesday or Wednesday. Patience is key here, but if you notice significant delays beyond this window, that's when you should investigate. What about fees? This is another critical consideration. When your clients pay through Jobber payments, there are typically transaction fees associated with processing those payments. These fees are usually a percentage of the transaction amount plus a small fixed fee, and they are deducted before the money even reaches your Jobber balance. So, when we talk about withdrawing or payouts, you're receiving the net amount after those initial processing fees have been applied. Generally, Jobber does not charge additional fees for the actual payout or transfer of funds from your Jobber balance to your linked bank account. However, it's always a good idea to review your specific Jobber payments agreement or contact Jobber support to confirm the exact fee structure for your account, as these can vary slightly based on your plan and region. Now, let's talk about setting up your bank account for payouts. This is a one-time process but absolutely essential. You'll need to link your bank account to your Jobber payments account. This usually involves providing your bank name, account number, and routing number for North American users, or equivalent banking details for other regions. It's crucial to double-check these details for accuracy, as even a single incorrect digit can lead to delays or misdirected funds. Jobber, like all reputable payment processors, will often have a verification process for bank accounts to ensure security and prevent fraud. This might involve small test deposits that you need to confirm or other authentication steps. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth setup. Once your bank account is successfully linked and verified, it will be the default destination for all your Jobber payouts. What happens if there's a problem? Let's say a payout is delayed, or you suspect something is wrong. Your first point of reference should always be your Jobber account's payout history or transaction reports. This section will show you the status of your payouts, whether they're pending, completed, or if there were any issues. Often, a pending status simply means it's still within the typical processing window. If a payout is marked as failed, there will usually be a reason provided, such as incorrect bank details or a bank-side issue. In such cases, you might need to update your bank information or contact your bank directly. If you've checked your Jobber reports and the issue persists or isn't clear, then it's time to reach out to Jobber's customer support. They have access to more detailed information about your transactions and can help troubleshoot any payout problems. Be prepared to provide them with transaction IDs, dates, and any relevant details to help them assist you efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.